Hi guys, welcome to iGeometry Virtual Learning Week 1. Woohoo! Long time no see. I hope y'all are staying safe and healthy and having a good time hanging out at home. I just wanted to make a kind of an introductory video to say hello and kind of walk through the slide deck because that's really what we're going to be using for this virtual learning time at home. So let's get started. How are you feeling? Hopefully y'all have made it this far. I'm feeling great. I'm ready to start our journey. So each week this will be pretty similar as far as the format of the slide deck so that you can kind of get into a routine and know and have some expectations of what you'll see. You'll be receiving these on Monday morning at 8 a.m. I'll be posting it on Google Classroom just like I did this week. So again, looking for some consistency in your life. So little hello. Then you can navigate through the slides by pushing these arrows or the little arrow on your computer, but hopefully you got this far because this is where you found this video. So, you know, this page, every week I'll have some announcements. Maybe if y'all want to tell me some fun stuff that have gone on in your life, we can give some class announcements in this page. Occasionally I'll have some videos like this one. And the other important part of this page is going to be the calendar with links to all the assignments. So if you go to this link, the iGeometry team has created a calendar with links to all the material that we've done all year. So I know some of y'all have probably left your notebooks or backpacks or whatever at school, and that's okay. Obviously you can't go get it, so we wanted to provide you with this so that you have access to all the material we've done all year. So each day, so like on February 12th, we did Unit 9, Day 2. So if you go ahead and click on this link, any of these links, it'll take you to the notes, or like a blank copy. And then I've also provided the keys in there for you too, so you know how the notes were filled out. And that way, everybody has access to all the information that we've done all year. So that's going to be on this week's announcements every week. Then we've got the Connecting with Y'all page. This week I kind of had some fun and I made a COVID bingo. So if you go to the next page, this is actually a draw on page, which we've used in class. It's been a while now, but you can actually draw on this slide. So for your COVID bingo, you know, choose your favorite color and then come on here and you can put an X or a star. Definitely washed my hands, done some yoga. I haven't bought a ukulele yet, but it's on my list. Anyways, you know, something fun. See how many you can get. And then tell me how it went. Tell me about it. They should be... Oh, here we go. You can type your answer in right here. What was my favorite box that I got on bingo? Washing my hands. It was my favorite because I do it all the time. And then you can always add another response. The whole thing was amazing. Thank you so much, Ms. Hall. You're my favorite. Or, you know, something along those lines. But the point is you can submit more than one answer. Then we're going to have suggestions to help you with online learning. I know some of you might be nervous about not having a graphing calculator or having to do this online, but there are unlimited, endless tools for you online to be able to still learn at home. For example, if you need a calculator, there's a bunch of different ones. It's on your phone too, so you can just use that calculator, like some of you do in class anyways. And then we're going to be using Khan Academy a lot. Okay, so I didn't create a classroom in Khan Academy, like you can do a Google Classroom sort of thing, but I chose not to do that. But we are going to be utilizing practice problems in Khan Academy. So if you click on this link, it takes you to the generic geometry page. And then this one is a link on how to utilize the practice problems. So there'll be more links embedded in these slide decks for you to use the Khan Academy practice problems. And it's a really good resource for y'all. It can give you feedback. You can asked to do these specific problems or change it up a little bit or whatever, Khan Academy is one of those really great resources for y'all. Then we're going to have a table of contents. So this is slide 7. So the next slide is the content focus. Then we've got a couple learning experiences for you. I added a brain break in there for you because we all need a good brain break. But you can see just exactly what's coming up on this slide deck. The other part of what I want to say to you guys is pace yourselves, okay? You don't have to do all of this at once. You've got all week. I'm only going to be uploading a slide deck once a week, Monday mornings at 8 a.m., just like this one. And so you can use the entire week to go through this. I know you've got a lot going on. It's a hectic time, but hopefully what our plan is to not give you more material than 90 minutes a week for iGeometry. Okay, so that's the max, which means that if you do 20 minutes a day, then you'll be done for the week. Or you could just bust it out all in one day. It's up to you, but I really want you guys to use this time to pace yourself and learn time management because it's a really important skill. Anyways, so then we have the content focus for this week. This week is Pythagorean theorem. Every week it'll change, okay? But this is where you can find the focus and what you're going to be either reviewing or learning. This week happens to be review of the Pythagorean theorem. So on your learning experience pages, you're going to have a bunch of links. It's going to take you to maybe a PDF, maybe Khan Academy practice problems, or a Google form, or anything like that. On this warm-up, if you go here, it is a PDF. So most of the things, if they are PDFs, you're probably going to do on a separate sheet of paper, okay? So, or if you have a PDF editing program, that's awesome. But this is for you to take this material and learn and practice and remember and just keep those things firing in your head while you're at home, because I don't get to see you every day. And then we've got this evidence of learning. So this is going to show me that you're actually learning or remember all this stuff. So if you come here, type in your name, choose your period, and then it's impossible to fail because if you don't get a question right, it'll take you back to that question. Okay, so you can keep learning and trying and figuring out how exactly to do all these problems, okay? Then I added a little brain break for you. On these different interactive slides, I'm going to try and give you instructions. Click and drag the red dot to your choice so you know exactly what to do. And then on the next page, it's another interactive one. So tell me why you chose either the lump sum or the amount over time. I don't know what I would choose. I would like to hear what you guys think. So it's just a little fun brain break. And then maybe after this week I can share what y'all thought next week, and we can maybe do a little poll like it was split down the middle or 90% of you took the lump sum. We'll see. It'll be fun. Then you have the learning experience number 2. So again, here's more links to stuff. Khan Academy videos, more vocab. Here's more Khan Academy practice. So if you come here, you can work on the skills that you've been reviewing or learning for the week. Right here it says answer these questions. It is not an interactive slide, so you're going to have to either do it on a separate sheet of paper. It's just a PDF. So you're going to try it on a separate sheet of paper and see what happens, okay? This is the optional, so each week there'll probably be an optional part. This is just an extension of Pythagorean theorem, is using it to write equations of circles. But it's totally optional, If you got some extra time laying on your hands, go ahead and see if you can do it. We've got some instructional supports for y'all. Each of these are different links. So like for this one, the large print, it shows you how to zoom in or zoom out on your computer so you can increase the size of print. But this is just supports for y'all while you're at home learning virtually. This is the slide that y'all need to look out for each week. It's the monitored learning experiences, okay? Because you're at home, because we're not having that live interaction, I still do want to monitor your learning, and I still want to have some sort of feedback given and some stuff coming back from y'all. So we're going to try and emphasize IXLs. So on this page, this will be your monitored learning experiences. So I'm going to be looking, hey, did Cody do his IXLs this week? Yeah, he got a 70 on all of them. Or I haven't seen Jack in the IXLs or whatever. It's just a way for me to monitor that you're there, and I can reach out if I don't see you doing these. So look out for this slide. This is one of the important slides. And it'll be every week. There'll be a monitored learning experience, probably IXLs, not always. I also sent you an email with your login information. So if you forget your login information, it's in the email. If for whatever reason you didn't get that email, please email me, reach out to me. I can get you your login information. Okay, and there's a link right here for you to go to your login page. But this is the slide you need to look out for each week. Then we got reminders. All of this stuff automatically saves. Okay, so if you go to an IXL and start it and then don't want to finish it, it automatically saves. It saves your progress. All of this saves your progress. And then, like this bottom one says, pace yourself. I've already talked about it, but make sure that you're pacing yourselves and not overwhelming yourself with too much information, okay? More feedback. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're doing, how you've been, all that sort of stuff. This is a good page, and you can always put more than one entry in here. And it only comes to me. I'm the only one that will see this page, okay? And then final thoughts. What did you think? You can, again, drag this. It was intense. Okay. Amazing. Or whatever you think. And that's it. So hopefully this helps your navigation of these slide decks. This was the kind of more extended version, just so you get used to the slide deck and you can understand what's to come for the next couple weeks. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you later.